Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 superfoods that can help boost your health after the age of 50. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that can improve your well-being and vitality. Berries. Number 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat the effects of aging, improve memory, and support heart health. Leafy greens. Number 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They can help protect your eyes, improve bone health, and support your immune system. Fatty fish. Number 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease, and support brain health. Nuts and seeds. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They can lower cholesterol, help with weight management, and keep your heart healthy. Yogurt. Number 5. Yogurt. Greek yogurt in particular is packed with probiotics that support gut health, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Whole grains. Number 6. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are full of fiber and nutrients. They can help regulate blood sugar, promote digestive health, and provide sustained energy. Turmeric. Number 7. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and alleviate joint pain. Incorporating these 7 superfoods into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being after the age of 50. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.